Well, I often print things that are related to projects that I'm working on, and currently I'm working on modding a GameCube. Yes, the Nintendo GameCube that you are familiar with. This is the board, and this is the Raspberry Pico that you need in order to mod the board. So one thing that I was lacking, or something that I needed, was a way to hold these so I could do some soldering. So let me show you what I came up with. So I found this print, I believe, on Thingiverse. Alright, and right here I'm holding the chip. I'm going to have to do some soldering on these, so I will have to reorientate this based on what I'm soldering. But you get the basic idea. This is how this works. You can tighten it down. You can move this however you want it. It has grooves built in to this little mechanism. So yeah, that's one of my cool prints that I did. Pretty excited about that one. And let me show you my bigger one I did for kind of the bigger scale items. And that's this big guy here. Let's see, hide my face. Oh, focus. There you go. So this is the print that I did for bigger motherboard items, such as a GameCube board. So let me put this in, and let's see what it looks like. Before I put this in, this is how it works. So you kind of, this loosens and tightens in any type of placement you want it. There it is right there, stuck. You can even move it all the way back here, which is not on camera. And I can move this one pretty far as well. And this right here allows me to tighten it and orientate it in a way that will make sense. So let's get this GameCube board on and see what it looks like. And here you can see the board is in place. I can pretty much orientate it in any way, shape, or form that I need to orientate it. Tighten these guys down on the side and it'll hold it in place so I can do some soldering. So yeah, that's something I've been working on and pretty excited about. Alright guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye!